Hello! I am doing my very first luxury wig review today. So, this wig right here, this wig is Simmer Up from Styles by Soma. And this wig is a partial monofilament wig. And it has an incredibly natural hairline. If you look here, you can see just how natural that looks. I mean, it looks like the hair is literally growing from my head. And this wig, because it's a luxury wig, there was no lace to cut when I got this wig. I literally got it out of the box, gave it a little shake, and put it on my head, and this is exactly what it looks like coming straight out of the box. There is nothing that you have to do when you take this thing out of the box. So this wig is best suited for people whose head circumference is anywhere from 19 to 23 inches. It's got adjustable straps that are super easy to adjust. I can't believe how easy these straps are to adjust. Now this is a wig that is going to be an everyday wig for me just because of how comfortable it is and how easy it is. And this is a wig that's so comfortable that I can wear it without a wig cap, I can wear it without wig grips because I don't feel like it's going to slide off of my head. So the look of this, it comes down to just above my shoulders, and it kind of flips out. It kind of does its own thing. You can flip it out, flip it under, you can play with it however you want. And this is the back of it. This wig comes in 3 different colors. It comes in Hazelnut, which is what I'm wearing right now. It also comes in Strawberry Glaze, and the other color is Wheat Harvest. So right now, the wig retails for $320. If you use my link down below in the description, you can get 10% off. So be sure to sign up on the website for updates so that you can get updated when there's some big sales going on wigs